Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anthony on Demand. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to do keywords that are properly used in videos. So, go to the YouTube homepage. Um, Say you're doing how to make lasagna. We'll do that. That sounds really good actually. How to make lasagna. Look at that. I put how to make LAS. So it's going to pull up all these keywords that people have looked for. The first one is how to make lasagna. How to make lasagna with ground beef at home. You know, it's going to show you what people are actually looking for. Obviously, this is something that I'm putting into the search, and it's a popular search prediction. It shows at the bottom like what these are. These are search predictions that people are searching all over the world. So use this to your advantage. These are keywords that people are typing in. Put it into your videos, like this one for instance. I have this one up. In your tags, do like how to create, and then intro, YouTube channel free, best, gaming intro, epic intro, stuff that's going to relate to the video, and do about 10 to 15 tags. You have 200 letters that you can use. Use them wisely. Pick out the ones that you think are going to be the best. Do your research on typing in the video that relates to yours and seeing what how that video ranks by searching in different things that are related to your video. Maybe the same video keeps popping up at the top, so use those keywords so maybe that you could be second right below that person. You know what? It's okay if you're second. You're at least going to be in the top 10 is fine because people are going to scroll down a little bit. Maybe not being number one isn't going to be right away because maybe your video doesn't have enough watch time, enough views, comments, whatever it is, likes. That's what bumps it up really, is all the views. YouTube is going to promote a video that has millions of views rather than your video that has a couple hundred views, maybe 1,000 views. Yeah, it is a good video maybe, but it hasn't hit the popularity of booming up into the search results. So this is the first step that you guys want to do on making your guys' videos more searchable, and how to make it to where you start getting those views up and hopefully subscribers. Mentioning subscribers, if you guys haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. I am doing a lot of tutorials like this. I've already made a bunch of videos trying to help you guys. The only thing that I ask in return is you guys to help me with some subscribers. I hope you guys enjoy my content. If you guys have any concerns, let me know in the comments down below. I'm going to respond to everybody that does comment down below, whether they're good or bad. Hopefully they're good. But anyways, you guys, I hope this video helped you guys a lot. And if it did, give it a thumbs up. And I want you guys to have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video.